So hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So I'm going to tell you a very interesting fact today. One of my subscriber, he's not a subscriber, he's my friend. So he follows a very famous uncle in YouTube, and he regards this uncle as his mentor. That's okay, that's fine. It's up to you. You can follow anyone, you can regard anyone as your guru or mentor. And everything was fine, and one fine morning this uncle came out with the idea. And what was the idea? The idea was to introduce many of his followers into cryptocurrency. Okay, and what happened, since this uncle told about cryptocurrency, my friend also started investing in cryptocurrency. In fact, the uncle itself suggested platforms, how to invest in cryptocurrency, how to open an account in any trading platform, and that and this, and everything happened. Believe me, since he has invested, and after this uncle told to invest in cryptocurrency, my friend has invested in cryptocurrency, and you will not believe, since he has invested, he has lost more than 50 or 60% of what he has invested. 6 months back, cryptocurrency, whatever you name it, whether it is Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, whatever, right? It has depreciated more than 50%. Bitcoin alone has depreciated more than 24%, not 24%, 7% in the last 24 hours. So worldwide cryptocurrencies are crashing. And in fact, one of our group members in Telegram messaged me about a cryptocurrency called Luna, which has almost gone to zero. From $120 it has gone to zero. You imagine the state of people who would have invested in cryptocurrency. Now, I posted a video 6 months back. Once this uncle posted a video how you shouldn't be going for cryptocurrencies. You shouldn't be going for cryptocurrencies because it is not regulated, because you don't know where it is being mined, and we really don't know who has invented cryptocurrency. Till now nobody has accepted that they have invented cryptocurrency. You forget about cryptocurrency. You let us assume you are making profit. Okay, you forget about the loss. For now, you forget about the loss. Let's say you are making profit. Even if you make profit, after calculating the taxes, GST, whatever Indian government is charging you, still you will end up in loss only. That is how government of India is discouraging cryptocurrency, and it is not at all an asset. It's just I don't know how to describe this word. Now, not only that, just last week back, this uncle, one exchange which has crashed last week for 12 hours. Cryptocurrency is being traded 24 hours. It crashed last week, and lakhs on rupees has been lost by this people who use this exchange. So that is the kind of deceptive assurance people are giving, and not a single word. Now, why am I saying all these things? Now, we know about the market. Markets are highly volatile because of inflation, because of Russia-Ukraine issue escalating. And Indian rupee has hit a it's very low today. And we are an importing economy, and we are going to pay for it. It is going to cost us more, whether it is crude oil or whatsoever. When we import, it is going to cost us more, and this is dragging the market. You see the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today, Nifty's price action was pathetic, simply pathetic. I really don't know what was happening. Why Nifty had to fall in spite of US markets being in the green. Europe was in the green. Bank Nifty was also performing. It was not like Nifty, and I really don't know. I was long in the market today morning. Everything changed in just I think only first 10 minutes or 15 minutes of today's trading session. I saw a green candle. After that, only one thing, all red, from 16,300 to all the way to 16,000, and from 16,000 to 16,200. Now we were talking, even yesterday, last 2 days, I was telling about market being range bound between 16,000 to 16,500 or even 16,600, but I never expected that market will retrace to 16,000 and maybe it will go to 16,200. Now we had put options in 16,000, 15,800. You have such a hectic day it was today. Like market, I don't know, like you tell me how to describe these kind of markets, right? It is very hard to trade, and I follow some big genuine traders in Twitter. Everybody had made losses. V-shaped price action where you can make money. Good that we are not into intraday trading. These kind of moves, intraday trading and all, you cannot do. And that's what I'm saying. Nifty was worst. Bank Nifty was kind of in a V-shape move price action. So if you put it in a day-wise time frame, it is going to be a dodgy pattern. So 3 days of dodgy pattern, and tomorrow, I think today around today morning, US market, they are going to come out with CPI inflation data. Everybody is expecting CPI inflation. And we don't know how US markets are going to react to these things. That is, as I talk to you, even now US markets are in the green. Europe is also fantastically in the green. Last week, US markets were in the red, but we were in the green. Now they are in the green, we are in the red. So this month is, honestly speaking, till now, we have not made any loss. In fact, not made any profit. In fact, we are in loss only. Still we are managing, and we don't know how it is going to span out. It is really tough, super tough market conditions. And I can remember a few years back, 2015, 2016, 17, Nifty hardly will make 400 or 500 points even in 1 week. It will not move at all. You do a strangle, 95% of the time you will make money. Now in a single day, today itself, it has moved more than 400, 450 points, and Bank Nifty has moved more than 1,200 points. So why we are saying this, or why we are talking about cryptocurrencies, or why we are talking about these things, is because things are not looking good because of inflation. As I told you, because of inflation, Russia-Ukraine issue, and so on and so forth. And even if you see on a cryptocurrency platforms, volumes are really decreasing. Institutional investors are selling in bulk numbers in cryptocurrency. I'm talking about cryptocurrency. So things are not looking good. Maybe we are over focused on our markets and world markets, but we are not focusing on this cryptocurrencies also. So if the market crashes, crypto will also crash, and whatever asset class is there around, it will also crash. Now, thanks to our member who has messaged me about cryptocurrency, and in fact, Financial Times if you have time, you can just go to Financial Times and you can read an article. They have explained beautifully how cryptocurrencies are dragging the world market and how cryptocurrencies can go to zero. Whatever cryptocurrency, top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world is down by more than 50%, and I wouldn't be surprised if it goes to zero, and that we are expecting that to happen. And I posted a video about this cryptocurrency 6 months back, and people abused me like anything. You don't know that this, and now nobody will come and talk. This is how things are working around here. So the big picture is that markets are highly irrational, highly volatile, and due to CPI inflation, maybe US markets, US futures are in the green, but after this news has become history, maybe it will, our markets, it will turn into red. and even our markets may likely go below 16,000. If it breaks 16,000, 16,000 is a crucial support. If it breaks 16,000, we may end up going to 15,500 or even 15,000. There is literally no put writing in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is the open interest, and it is self-explanatory. You can observe it by yourself. So you have to act like what is as per the market direction, and let us see how things pan out. Nothing much. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.